First of all, we switch on the machine, then wait for a few seconds, and you see this is the actual temperature now in the tank. Water as always must be full level, but no matter how many eggs you're going to cook, then we are setting the temperature here to cook the egg. If you are cooking the half-boiled egg, you must need 63. When we go up to the 63, this is can be maximum 90. 63, and we select the time. Yes, 1 hour. We can see that usually we need only 1 hour. 1 hour. Then this is the minute. When we press this one, it will flash. That means you can enter the minute you want. Okay, now we need a 1 hour, 63. Now we can start. And the temperature is going from 40 to 63. Until the temperature reaches 63, timer will start to count down. Now, let's prepare the egg here. So here, the full basket, it's about 45 pieces of eggs. 45 pieces. Okay, it's perfect. The water is up to here, but maybe a little bit more. So we can take out the water a little bit. Okay, more water will ensure better effect of the cooking for the half-boiled egg, because all the eggs are under the water. Very good. Then close the lid. Waiting for. 现在时间都差不多了，我们试一下，这个温泉蛋效果。这个效果是很好。那我们就再试一个比较低层次的。这个是在比较中间的。这个做出来的也是这样子的，很好的，是有一个，也是很流动性很强好的。时间到了，我们就可以在里面捞起来一个蛋，看一下那个。